Hi guys, how are you? I think you are doing well. So in this video I am going to show you how can you unban your banned WhatsApp account. So before starting the video I ask you for something. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. For unbanning your banned WhatsApp you have to open any of your browser. I am simply opening my Google Chrome. You can see here. And from Google Chrome you have to search here WhatsApp support, WSATS, WhatsApp support. You can see here WhatsApp support, and you will can see here first link contact WhatsApp. So you have to click here contact WhatsApp. Then you will can see here WhatsApp messenger support, and second option is WhatsApp business support. So if you use only WhatsApp, then you have to click WhatsApp messenger supports, and below you can see contact us. You have to click here. If you use WhatsApp business, then you have to click here below WhatsApp business support contacts us. So I am using WhatsApp only, so I am clicking here only WhatsApp contact us. Then you will can see here option, number option. You have to first select your country code. I am from Bangladesh, so I am simply here Bangladesh. Then you have to put here your phone number, so I am putting my phone number. Then you have to put here your email address. I am simply putting my email address. After that you have to fill up which type of phone are you using. I am using Android phone, so here I click here Android. If you use iPhone, then you have to click iPhone, and here you have to write a message to WhatsApp. So I write it from before, so I will copy it. So I am simply copy it from here. You can copy it from here, or I will put the message in description box. You will can copy from description box. So I am simply putting here it, and then I have to click here next step. Then you will can see here this kind of interface. Then you have to click here send question. Then you will can see here your question has been sent. So you will receive a mail within 3 or 4 days, and through the email you will get back your WhatsApp. So this is today's video. If you have any inquiry related to the video, you can ask me in comment box, and also I provided my Facebook link in description box. You can connect with me in my Facebook. Thank you.